Okay, now we're going to make a parent page, or we're going to take a parent page that's actually on another InDesign document and utilize it in our document here. So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You can see we've got some parent pages already made here and our document is sitting down here. But I want a parent page that may have been used previously on another document for the cover. So what I'm going to do, I don't need to open the document. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the little drop down menu for the pages panel, and I'm going to go to where it says parent pages, and I'm going to load parent pages. Then I need to find the document that contains that parent page, and it's called Cottonopolis Cover, and it's this document here. So I'm just going to open that. Now you will get this dialog box coming up, and it tells you that one or more pages have got the same name as your existing parent pages. That's because I've got one called A Parent, and that's the same on this new document. Okay, so it gives me some choices: replace parent pages or rename parent pages. Now my advice is rename parent pages. Now the reason for that is because if you replace them, you will override the existing parent pages, and you can imagine the mess that's going to make. So we're going to choose rename parent pages. And then if I scroll down, you can see it's added these two at the end. I've got something called D Parent and B Cover Art. Okay, I don't actually need this one, so I'm going to select it like so, and I'm just going to throw it away. You can see it says D Parent. Oh, it says it's applied to one parent page, and I won't delete it because it's obviously being used somewhere. So, but you can see we've got this one here, and I want to apply this B Cover Art to page 1, like so. And you can see it's brought this in. Now, because these are parent items on page 1, they're kind of locked in place, but we know how to get around that now. So if you hold Shift and either Control or Command, depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac, I can just click on this image. Now you'll notice that when I click on that image and it's become live, it isn't sitting on top of the masthead. And the reason for that is because it was made with layers from the previous document. Okay, so it was made this way, so when we click on it, we don't inadvertently end up with Cottonopolis underneath the image. Okay, so now that this is a live frame, if I wanted to, I just treat this like a placeholder image, and I can go to File and place a new image in there. So let's see what I've got. So I'm going to go to my Adobe stock images. I'm going to use this image instead. Just going to slide that over. I'm also going to make it a little bit bigger. I quite like it offset like that, actually. Yeah, I quite like that. So that could be my new cover. So that's how we get one parent page from one document into another.